Hi and welcome to Lesson 4, Part 1 of WooCommerce Local Pickup Plus, Managing Pickup Locations. In this video, I will show you how to manage pickup locations in WooCommerce Local Pickup Plus. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now click on the Shipping tab and select Pickup Locations. From here you can add, edit, or delete pickup locations. Let's add a new pickup location. Click on the Add New Pickup Location button. Name the pickup location. Now enter the address of the location. In Description and Notes, you can add notes that might be helpful. Now click on the Available Products tab. In this section, you can specify which products can be picked up here, such as all products or some selected products. You can select individual products or product categories. Now click on Set Product Categories and select a category. Now click on the Costs Discounts tab. In Price Adjustment, if you want to adjust the product's price, enable Price Adjustment. You can either adjust the cost or add a discount. Now, click on the Pickup Appointments tab. Well, that concludes Part 1 of Lesson 4. For Part 2, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.